This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lessa Miller. Known for quality home building, this home constructed by Helms Construction is ready for a new owner. This popular open floor plan includes generous sized rooms and 3 levels of living. The large covered front porch is a great feature for guests arriving in inclement weather. This home has a separate dining room for more formal gatherings. There is also a formal living room that would make a beautiful library. The large, bright kitchen, with an eat and breakfast nook, offers plenty of workspace and cabinets for storage. The kitchen opens into a large family room with a fireplace. A nice deck is accessible off of the breakfast nook. You will appreciate 2 full baths on the upper level, half bath on the main level, and 1 full bath on the lower level. 4 bedrooms upstairs with a study on the lower level provides a variety of living options. A large recreation room on the lower level is perfect for all kinds of entertaining. The walkout basement makes outside entertaining easy. Enjoy the benefits of living in Kensington Park. Only minutes from schools, Indiana University, shopping and park.